Ever had your printer's document feeder grind to a halt right when you needed it most? It's a frustrating moment, and often the culprit is a tiny, unsung hero like the B3Q10-60104 ADF motor assembly. This particular motor assembly from ZHSHYI is designed as a direct replacement for a whole host of popular HP LaserJet models, including the M277, M280, M281, M477, M479, M426, M427, M428, M429, M377, and even the 274 series. Essentially, if your HP printer relies on an auto document feeder for scanning or copying multiple pages, and that feeder has started acting up, this is the part that brings it back to life. It's not about printing speed or color output. It's purely about the smooth, reliable feeding of your documents. Now, let's talk about some of the more interesting details in the product listing. You might notice mentions of Bluetooth connectivity, dot matrix printing technology, and even a maximum print speed of 1 page per minute. For an internal motor assembly in a modern HP LaserJet, these specs are, frankly, quite baffling. It's highly probable these are generic placeholders from a broader product template and don't actually apply to this specific motor. You won't be connecting this motor to your phone via Bluetooth, nor will it suddenly turn your laser printer into a dot matrix machine. Similarly, the listed dimensions of 0.39 inches cubed seem incredibly small for an entire ADF motor assembly. It's more likely a typo, or perhaps refers to a very specific, tiny component within the larger assembly, rather than the motor unit itself. It's important to manage expectations based on what this part asterisk actually is: a mechanical component for document feeding. What is asterisk accurate and important is that this is an ADF motor assembly, part number B3Q10-60104. It comes in a pack of 5, which is fantastic value for repair shops or anyone who anticipates needing multiple replacements over time. The description also clearly states, without gear, meaning you'll need to reuse the existing gear from your old motor or source a new one separately. This is a common practice for these types of replacement parts, and something to be aware of before you start your repair. The ZHSHYIN brand is offering a practical solution for a common point of failure in busy office printers. When your ADF motor fails, it can cripple your ability to scan or copy multi-page documents, turning a quick task into a tedious manual process. Having these on hand means minimal downtime. While we can't test a motor in the traditional sense without installing it, the expectation is that a new, correctly specified motor will restore the ADF to its original, smooth operation. Imagine the relief of hearing that familiar whir and seeing pages glide through the feeder again, instead of jamming or refusing to move. It's not a flashy upgrade, but a critical repair that brings back essential functionality. This isn't about adding new features, it's about restoring what was lost. So, if your HP M277, M477, or any of the other compatible models are struggling with their document feeder, the B3Q10-60104 ADF motor assembly from ZHSHYIN offers a straightforward multi-pack solution to get you back to seamless scanning and copying. It's a vital component for maintaining productivity, despite some of the quirky details in its listing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.